You're cute. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Oh man, super excited for today. I'm really excited and stoked with how everything is going right now with the cars in the shop, and especially with the new launch coming up. Like, check out this shirt right here. Check out the Evo back there. We have a matching shirt for the Evo. We have matching windbreakers for the Evo 10. We have so much stuff coming out, and it's all dropping November 15th at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I'm super stoked for that. The FRS has its new wheels on her. The truck has its new wheels on her. The only thing that I'm really kind of disappointed about would be, of course, the Evo 8. Have yet to do any diagnosing or anything else since the last video you guys saw. So I think it's gonna be a relatively easy fix, especially after reading a lot of those comments and kind of like stepping back from it for a minute and looking at it from a more logical standpoint instead of just like ripping it apart. I think it should be a fairly simple fix when we dive back into it. Last night, we did leave the shop a mess, unfortunately, so we're gonna clean that up. We have wheel boxes to put away. We have so much random stuff, wheels and tires from the FRS and the truck to put up in storage. And then of course, just get the shop clean so we can actually be productive, because everyone knows that you cannot be productive in a shop that is looking like this. Also, real quick, with the upcoming launch, we are doing a 15-minute early access. So if you go on the website, www.vossen.com, first link down in the description box below, there will be a place for you to enter in your email address, hit submit, and you'll have 15 minutes early access before anyone else can get on the site. Okay, so we have the shop all cleaned up. I did pull in the Duramax. This thing was rubbing quite a bit last night, so I'm gonna do a little bit more trimming right down here where the tire's hitting this little plastic piece. I don't want to trim the actual bumper whatsoever, but this plastic piece down here, I'm completely fine with trimming some more off there. So let's get both sides cut up, and hopefully after that, we will clear just fine. So it looks like it's gonna hit the bumper regardless at full lock. So if that bugs us enough, we can always cut that or trim just that bottom section of the bumper in the future. But like I said, I don't want to mess with the bumper itself right now. So I think that right there should be plenty enough turning radius.
Hello?
Did you see me hiding from you?
Yes, baby. I'm dying.
Are you sick?
So sick.
No, you're not.
Look. I can't clean the inside of your truck today.
Why?
I do not feel good enough.
Honey, are you sick?
Yeah.
What's the matter? Did you get it from me? I'm sorry.
I can't do anything.
So would you come here? Just to sit chill?
Just to sit well.
Bobby came to clean my truck, but I guess I got her sick. Sorry, babe. We can put my grill on. I know she really wants my grill on. Nope.
This thing's so dirty.
I mean, drive this little ass car.
Dude, look at me.
If you wanted to do one mod on my truck, what would it be?
The grill.
Bobby wants me to put a new grill on, and I have a new grill that we painted. Hold up.
Do you feel pretty cool that you fit in with the truck game now? Game changer.
We have a new grill, so this is the center part, and this is the outer part, and we painted this guy. And it looks okay. It needs some wet sanding and buffing, right?
Oh no, I got makeup on your shirt.
Oh no, not the new drop. So that is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna wet sand this, we're gonna buff it out a little bit. We're gonna reassemble this grill, pull off the old chrome bummy grill. What do you think about these orange lights?
I like them.
I should keep them orange?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What about that little badge?
I like it.
The badge?
Yeah.
You like the badge? I'm gonna pull off the badge for sure. I don't like the badge. The badge is junky. But let's wet sand this guy real quick. Real quick, it's gonna take like 4 hours probably. Knowing me.
Uh-oh.
What? We got the grill sanded down and buffed out. We may end up respraying it in the future because, to be completely honest, it doesn't look as good as I think it should. Right now we are working on some wiring stuff. The instruction sheet that he sent over just shows you how to replace the grill. It doesn't say anything about the wiring. So basically all we have to do is figure out a power and a ground. So I think the best option would be to wire it just to these side markers here. We're just gonna tap into that wiring harness with some T-taps, run the new harness over for the grill, put the grill on, plug it in, bolt it on, and we can see how she looks. This here is the wiring connector for the side marker, that orange light right there. The black is the ground, so that is what we're gonna tee into for the black wire on that harness. And then the green is the power source. So that red wire on that harness there will connect to the green wire. Yellow wire we are connecting nothing to. want to see the grill in the truck?
Yes.
Tell me if the light turns on.
Yep. Wait. I can't tell. Oof.
Does she
Damn.
look better?
That looks so good. That looks so good.
Much better. All right, let's figure out why the lights don't work. So we had it wired right. The connections, the little T-taps I was using just weren't making a good connection. So it's still the same wires.
Oh my goodness. That looks so good.
Why is it that you like this truck more than I do?
I think you like it more.
Do you like this gap right here? That's from that bumper spacer I put on yesterday.
Yeah, I noticed it last night.
It's kind of weird.
It doesn't bug me.
Okay. Well, if it doesn't bug you, then it doesn't bug me.
Yay.
All right. Well, I kind of like the lights, I guess.
I told you they'd look good.
They're kind of cool, I guess.
They are. They match everything else.
Let's drop the hood down a little bit. See how she looks all complete.
Oofy. Doofy.
Oh yeah, that's, oh my lord. That's way different. That looks really good.
Mm-hmm.
That's a game changer. All right, here is the finished look with the grill. If you guys want to buy this grill, I will link it down below. When we originally got it, it was all this color right here, so that flat black. And then when we were painting the bed, if you guys remember, we did decide to paint this outer edge. But as I was wet sanding, I decided to sand through. So I decided, I like to decide a lot. I figured I'm gonna respray it eventually, but it still looks really, really nice how it is. If Bobby approves, then we approve.
I approve.
The plan with the front of this truck from here is chrome delete there, chrome delete there. We got to build some headlights for it eventually. I do really like the factory headlights, but if we can make them look a little bit better or pick up a new set, that would be a game changer. You think we should do some LED fogs?
Yeah.
Or maybe like some cooler ones,
Yeah.
like square instead of circle?
Well, I don't know.
Just something? Okay. You want to go stand in front of her? Go model for it, Bobby.
I can't model when I'm sick.
You're cute. Overall, the grill fits really, really good. I think it was like $200 or $300 on eBay. So like I said, I'll link it down below. It comes all flat black. You can leave it all that color. Or if you're picky like me, respray the outer edge, the trim piece, and it'll look a lot better that way. At first, we were not gonna run the orange lights. Bobby convinced me to run them, and I'm happy we did because it's a little more aggressive now, and I dig it.
It looks way more empty.
Yes. It does suck that we do need to respray the grill, but honestly, right after I sprayed it, and it dried, I kind of knew that it was gonna need to be resprayed because the finish was just super rough. I don't think that you should have to wet sand a ton of orange peel out of such a small piece like the grill. Maybe just a little bit up here where it meets the hood, just so it matches. But all these areas down here, I don't think should be so rough to where you need to wet sand it. So at the same time, I'm kind of happy that we are gonna learn from more mistakes that we were making and make it better the second time around. But that's pretty much all we can do on the truck tonight. Speaking of learning from mistakes, or not really mistakes, but just learning more in general, we do need to focus on the Evo 8 a little bit. I have been putting this car off just because I have not been feeling the best, but today I do feel a little bit better, so I think we should make a little bit of progress on the 8 tonight and maybe even get it fixed. Completely done, back on the road. Before that, drop a comment, let me know what you think down in the comment section below of the new grill on the good old Duramax. This thing is so freaking wide. How is this possible? All right, so back to the Evo 8. This is what we know. At least I think this is correct. Correct me down in the comment section below if you guys think I'm wrong. I do appreciate, especially with wiring, your guys' help because you already know I'm not very good at wiring and obviously not very good at painting either. There are a few things I'm good at. Wiring and painting are not included. I'm gonna kind of reassemble a few things and show you guys exactly what I know. Fuse box is back together. We have our little voltage meter set to continuity. We have one end on a ground, and if we take the other end and connect it to the wires that run into the fuse box, so they connect right over here. So these two wires right here would connect to the fusible link. Why are those two wires grounded? Okay, that's what we know. Should they be grounded? As far as I know, they shouldn't be. I'm gonna pull out the Duramax real quick. Let's pull in the blue Evo and let's compare it to that car. So one end connected to ground, other end of the multimeter, I'm gonna connect to the wires. Those wires run all the way down and come into the fuse box right here. This stud right here, if this is grounded on this car, then we're good. Okay, well apparently, why is the power wire grounded? Why did I not check this a week ago? It's grounded on this car. I thought I checked it before. I thought I did check it, but apparently I didn't, because that same wire on the Evo 8 is grounded as well. So I don't know what the problem is. I don't even know if we have a problem on the Evo anymore. I'm so confused right now. Well, now I just feel dumb, guys. I don't know why I didn't check that before. We do have a new fusible link that is apparently at the house right now, but I don't want to drive all the way back there and then come back to the shop. So I feel like tomorrow we should be able to get this car 100% fixed back up on the road. We were still having a fuse blowing issue, but we were completely chasing down the wrong tree the whole entire time. I thought none of those power wires should be grounded, or none of those wires coming out of the fuse box should be grounded. And that's what I figured, but I figured wrong. I don't know why they are. It doesn't make any sense to me. I'm sure some of you guys are gonna be roasting me down in the comment section, which is okay, because I don't mind. I like to learn, so if you guys can help me out learn, that'd be awesome. Tomorrow, we are gonna get the fusible link back on this car, a new one. I could pull the one off the Evo 10, but that's just unnecessary work when you can just go get the new one at the house. And we are gonna have this car back on the road tomorrow, 100%. Mark my words. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Thank you for watching. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow. Interesting.